Hello, my name is Toby and I'm doing my presentation on genetically modified foods, or GMOs. What is a GMO? A GMO, and I quote, genetically modified or GM foods are foods derived from organisms whose genetic material, or DNA, has modified in a way that does not occur naturally through the introduction of a gene or from different organisms. This quote is from the World Health Organization. So genetically modified food are just foods derived from different organisms and kind of scientifically placed into other organisms. So it's like a combination of two organisms into one. As you can see here, this tomato, as it's being injected, is going to turn into a different tomato, such as a big green one that can survive for longer times, or grows bigger and doesn't grow rotten, as you can see over here. Genetically modified foods, or the RNA-B hex, through 10 days, 20 days, and 45 days did not rot at all. Okay. How is GMO food made? And what companies use GMOs? GMOs are made by taking a gene, usually a helpful gene from a helpful organism, and cutting it out. You cut out that gene and you place it into a vector and then copy it multiple times. So now you have hundreds of these very helpful bacteria and very helpful genes. From there, you place it into a medium containing the bacteria, and then you take that medium and you squeeze it, as you can see here, into a plant, or sometimes directly into the food, sometimes into the plant, sometimes just into the seedling, which then will help the plants grow at a much faster rate. This will then combine with the plant, making it genetically modified into whatever the scientist, company, or person wants it to be. This could go anywhere. Some examples with the genetically modified foods is a tomato plant with a built-in insect repeller. That would be really helpful, right? A rice plant that can breed in salt water. Think of the possibilities. And a fruit that contains helpful vaccines. But not all of these come with just pros. Some of them have cons. And some companies that try to use GMOs and try to hide them are PepsiCo, Frito-Lay, Gatorade, Tropicana, and Quaker. So, what are the pros and cons of GMOs? Another quote that I got from a site is, genetic engineering often offers a time-saving method for producing larger, higher quality crops with less effort and expense. LearnGenetics.com. All around the world, problems are being solved by GMOs. Economies are skyrocketing. Entire towns are being saved by new plants that are able to grow. Those are some of the pros. But what are some of the cons? GMOs are balanced by many risks. Some cons are that the new species of plants might accidentally crossbreed with other plants, and so by taking this new type of plant and adding it to an old type of plant, all the old type of plants might go extinct, and all the new type of plants would be genetically modified. Great, but now you can't make any more GMO food because all the old ones are gone. Another reason why GMOs are so harmful is that it introduces genes placed into unnatural environments, which could harm the plants and could destroy millions of species around that area in a huge ecosystem, such as a rainforest. You add one GMO plant into that, it could potentially harm all of the species around it. And GMOs can also, depending on the type of person you are, could have harsh allergic reactions and may include toxins to the environment. Thank you for listening to my presentations. As you can see, we covered what is a GMO, how is GMO food made, we gave several examples, what companies try to hide GMOs, and last of all, even though I might think GMOs are amazing and there's so many pros, they are very balanced by potential risks to the environment. Thank you.